everyone, where is Vivienne? I'm Vivienne Sang, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited for this next video. Actually, I'll be trying an art that is mostly done to the Swahili women. It's a form of decoration. It's something that enhances their beauty, and also when they are celebrating a particular event, whether it's a holiday, a festive season, a marriage, a wedding ceremony, they normally beautify themselves with some henna and inner heart work. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I look so pretty. I love the decorations, the artwork on my arms, on my hands. They look really, really nice. They just need to dry off a little bit, then I can start peeling off. As you can see, I'm peeling off the outer layer so that I'm left with now. It's not like a tattoo. It's more of it's going to last me maybe a week or 3 weeks, but I love it. I really, really love it. And I got the henna bodywork decorations, one just to appreciate the Swahili culture. It's good to try out the different traditions as a form of appreciation of other people's culture. Also, the lady who did the bodywork, the artwork for me, I paid her per arm 300 shillings. So in a way, also you're supporting the local community in terms of income generation. But I really love it. Looks really nice. I can't wait to dress in my, I have some Arabian pieces dressing that I'm going to put on later. So, but this is really, really beautiful and nice. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. Next time when you're in the coastal region, try this form of art decoration on your body, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There's so many great stuff that are coming. Put the bell notification on so that you do not miss any upload. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.